Hello and happy Monday, everybody. My name is Cindy Farr. I am the Incident Commander for the Missoula County Health Department's COVID-19 response. Today is Monday, June 1st, and this is my daily briefing. So far, we've had a total of 42 cases to date in Missoula. 40 of those cases were identified by testing and 2 were epi-linked. We've had 40 recoveries and 1 death, and we have 1 active case currently in isolation, and we're monitoring 1 close contact. The state of Montana has had a total of 519 cases, with 26 new cases identified since last Friday morning. New cases since Friday are in Gallatin, Bighorn, Ravalli, and Yellowstone counties. There have been a total of 17 deaths statewide. First, I want to say thank you to Mary for the encouraging words and the lovely package this morning. I think that this is a really good reminder that we're all dealing with our own stress in different ways. We're at a really tumultuous time in our country right now, and we've all had to make changes in our lives to deal with this pandemic over the last few months. It's just really important for everyone to please be kind to one another, and also please be patient with our staff here at the health department as we continue moving into phase 2 of our reopening, and as we continue to increase testing in our community. This morning, the state of Montana announced 4 new cases in addition to the 22 new cases identified over the weekend. New cases are in Gallatin, Bighorn, and Yellowstone counties. As a reminder, we have 1 active case in Missoula County identified and announced on Friday, May 29th. Public health investigation indicates that this positive case was not travel related and it was not associated with any known positive cases, suggesting that this 1 active case is due to community spread. The active case is in isolation, and we completed contact tracing, and 1 close contact is being monitored at this time. Remember that when an infectious disease is transmitted through community spread, that means that people have been infected with the virus in an area, in this case Missoula County, and that those people are unsure of how or where they became infected. In short, a positive case is a result of community spread if and when the case investigation and contact tracing indicates that there was no known relationship or interactions with any other known positive cases or other individuals with recent travel history. It's important that we revisit COVID-19 transmission pathways, particularly as we begin implementing the governor's phase 2 directive across Montana today, June 1st. Last week, on Thursday, May 28th, our health officer, Ellen Leahy, released information regarding just how we will implement the governor's directive closer to home here in Missoula County. Starting today, per Governor Bullock's directive, gyms, fitness studios, pools, restaurants, and bars can move to 75% capacity, providing that they can maintain a safe 6-foot distancing in their existing spaces. Restaurants and bars can increase the number of people seated at tables. Bowling alleys and concert halls can open up with reduced capacity. The state directive also increased group size limits to 50 people in a given area without social distancing and asked that individuals and organizations planning to host events with more than 50 people contact their local health department to discuss event details and plan safety measures specific to protecting community health and reducing the chances of COVID-19 exposure and or transmission across different types of events. To this end, the Missoula County Health Department has developed local guidance with input from our partners at the Missoula Economic Partnership and other community partners who have reached out, helping community members to plan for, to hold, and evaluate safe events under our current extenuating public health circumstances. The local order outlines how event coordinators can connect with the health department as requested in the governor's directive, as well as specific steps that can and need to be taken during and after proposed events, as well as any mitigation strategies that might be needed should the epidemiological situation change in our community. We updated our website last week to include more information about phase 2, as well as guidance documents that are specific to different types of businesses and event types. While much of this information is available on our website today, please know that we will be updating the site throughout the week to ensure that you not only have the most current guidelines, but that the information that you're looking for is easy to find and really easy to interpret. Phase requirements and interpretations from the governor's office tend to change really quickly and often. We also need to continue monitoring the epidemiological situation across the state and across our county and in neighboring counties and states in order to inform our local response efforts. Please keep an eye on our social media sites, our health department website, and the state DPHHS website to stay current on COVID-related information. You can always call 258-INFO Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. to speak to a public health specialist. Stay tuned for more information about what Phase 2 looks like in Missoula County, including our county buildings and offices, which will slowly start reopening to the public today. Check in with the appropriate county contacts before you visit any sites to learn about what visiting during reopening looks like at this time. Be on the lookout for things like signs and directions, letting you know how to best move through a space or to ensure safety, as well as recommendations on wearing cloth face coverings and limiting the number of people coming with you to the bare minimum to reduce potential exposure while increasing the safety of those serving you and those waiting for services with you. So that's all I have for my daily briefing today. As always, you can subscribe to me on YouTube under my name, Cindy Farr. That's CindyFarr. You can follow us on Facebook at the Missoula City County Health Department. You can call 258-INFO if you'd like to schedule a test through our fairgrounds or one of our mobile testing locations. You can also call that number if you just have general questions about COVID-19 or you want to know what resources might be available to you. And as I stated earlier, please check our website for updated guidance as we continue to move through our reopening. So everyone stay safe and be well, and thank you for everything you're doing to help us keep our community safe out there. Stay healthy, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.